Titigil lang. Oh, they have ice cream too. First,
Thank you.
thank you so much. We're inside the gift shop.
Oh, yeah, napkin.
It's a gift shop.
I got napkin.
Sarado sama. Doon, daddy, kita mo dito. Dili, come here.
Parang break na.
Tulog.
Exit kami dito.
Ah, sorry. Nahanap tayo ng makakain ng mga. Yan. Pwede pa ang ganda. Yeah, let's go buy food. Let's go. Yeah, let's eat now so that when the carousel is open, there. Oh, they have a lot here. There, Daddy. What are you gonna buy there? Slushy daw mga mare.
Mariposa?
Well,
Imamalaki.
ako, ice cream ko. You want the slushy or ice cream? Slushy.
I love this line.
Ah, Mr. Prissy, you want Mr. Prissy? Oh, okay. But this one is okay, Daddy. Oh, yeah. So where can we get a spot? Oh, yeah. You want it? The orange one. Yeah. Orange or the green? What flavor is this? I think a lime. And then orange. Orange then.
No, mine.
It's lime is like it's a sour. How to do that? Yeah. That is buying a slushy for the kids. Na yun ang paya, Daddy. Ate is laughing on Daddy. Where's the... Here, tissue. Give it to Daddy. Here. Where's Maring Bulinggit? Maring Bulinggit is over there with Tita Lilin. What do you want, Cara? You want slushy? Huh? Let me hold your sheets, anak. What do you want? What do you want, anak ko?
Vanilla ice cream. Dapat konlat ako madadyayan.
Honda dyan eh, kasjay.
Look at this.
And we have to sit and eat, okay? For now, okay?
Ano ba sa kutsara ni ate?
Mama, look, rock, paper, scissors.
You happy, anak? Ay, paano mga mares? Tuwan-tuwa naman ang mga mini mares. Yun ang importante, mga mare, yung nag-enjoy sila. O, diba? Hindi lang yung kanilang mga matatandang nag-enjoy. Dapat pati mga bata. We have to find a food and then we go eat and then walk around.
Too much.
There's Maring Bulinggit Bay. I thought she likes that. Eggnog. Oh.
3 tablespoons. Those 2 at home.
Let's wait for Kara. Let's wait for Kara. Look at that planters. Sasakyan, no? Full of peanuts. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go find food now. Here, this way, this way. This way. Ate, come on yun. Ika, nag-elasteran ako.
There's a hotel.
Yes.
Can we stay here in the hotel?
Okay, let's find out. Now, go with Daddy.
Sleep in the hotel? Can we?
Okay, okay. Let's, Jenny, gumatang. Yes, later. Can we eat first? Kaya ka man kita ti maganditan. Tapandag tugaw nga kwan. Ayan, order lang ng pagkain si Maritos. Kami naman ay maghahanap ng table, mga mare. Dito sa side, Lilin, dati tugaw dito eh. Tatay, hindi jay. Okay, go. Over there, go find a chair. Let's eat. Let's wait for Daddy. Okay, come on. Here, dito tayo sa apat. Here. Or here. You can get one more chair.
Okay, just only share with Aju first, okay? Just only one. Because you need first to eat your...
Naka-order na siya, mga mare. Pipikapin na lang yung order niya. Ano yung order mo, Daddy? Chicken finger.
Regular fries. Ang daming fries na dito. Ito nga nangalan na lang. Iwan na regular fries.
Ano na in-order mo? Kawang di-order na ni Lilin.
At tapos pwede yun na
Sure ka?
Awat burger na dito. Kumbaga parang chicken nuggets.
Mano lang ang burger dati namin.
Awat burger na dito.
Adi kanila na
Kita mo dito.
Ada di combo dako.
Kita. Dito na lang. Number 26. Dali chicken. Dalawa na number 9. With fries.
Chicken 2 legs. Ay jay.
Yan, boneless chicken wings.
Okay.
Kaya tapos duwa nga dito ni chicken finger.
Asan yung chicken finger?
Number 9.
Number 9. Okay.
Tapos isang fries lang regular.
Okay. Okay. Ano pala yung in-order niya, mga
Diba? Okay na yun na.
Yeah.
yung
Naantay
pinabasa
lang namin
namin.
yung ano. Asan yung tissue nila? Yun pa lang gusto. Hindi ako dun sa ice cream kasi wala yung tissue yung mga... Wala tissue doon sa ano ng Amari kasi walang tissue mga bata. Baka ako nakikid ng mga bata kasi maano doon. Oh. A lot of food here, mga mare, hindi ka magugutom. Parmesan cheese din is wow. This? I think this one's so good. And this is oh my gosh, so good. Wala kang biniling drinks, Daddy? Ha?
Wala.
Dito na lang mamaya. Ha? Okay. Where's that?
Ano siya?
Tuwa-tuwa naman mga anak ko dyan.
Ano ginagawa niya?
Ito, kain ng gumballs nila.
Hindi ah.
Thank you very much. Sorry.
Soka. Ay, may isang drinks kang ganom. Na?
Dami sa ano ng
Ano nga drinks?
Oh, sila niya. That's
Ay, ano de Pepsi nga de yakin bagi. Liling. Bagi. Bagi liling de yahan yung mga indalo dyan ti. Na? Danamlatan. Kuha akong tubig mga mare. May dala kaming tubig kasi hindi namin kinuha. Nasa sasakyan. Daddy, nabayadan na na kapag may cabbage yan dan.
Yeah.
Where's the name? O, diba? It says, Kati, she believe. Aba, ang ganda ng sayings, ha? Ayan. Kati, she believes. Ayan. O, diba? It's my name. Yan, kaya ako binili kasi may pangalan. Tsaka paglalagyan ko ng mga anik-anik ng mga bata ko, diba? Yan na, nagbabayad na si Maritus. Okay, eating time now mga mare! Oh my gosh! Go in the hotel and sleep daw mga mare! Let's see!
Can we sleep at the hotel tonight?
You wanna sit there? Can you turn around? Sarap ko talaga.